Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to nacho cheese sauce. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of your favorite melting cheese, like cheddar or Monterey Jack, shredded for easier melting. Also, have 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and your preferred spices ready. A clean, organized workspace makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get cooking. Now, let's start cooking. In a medium saucepan over medium heat, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to create a smooth roux, cooking for about 1 minute until lightly golden. Slowly pour in 1 cup of milk, whisking constantly to prevent lumps. Continue to cook and stir until the mixture thickens slightly, forming a creamy base for our cheese sauce. With your creamy base ready, it's time for the star ingredient. Reduce the heat to low and gradually add your 8 ounces of shredded cheese, a handful at a time. Stir continuously until each addition is fully melted and incorporated before adding more. Once smooth, season with a ½ teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, and a small pinch of cayenne pepper for a little kick. Taste and adjust as needed. Your delicious nacho cheese sauce is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm with your favorite tortilla chips, over loaded fries, or on a plate of nachos. If you have any leftovers, transfer them to an airtight container and refrigerate for up to 3 days. To reheat, gently warm on the stovetop or in the microwave, adding a splash of milk if needed to restore its creamy consistency. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.